Hi, it's Brooke with WTI, and if you are looking for exceptional blinds that keep the light out, don't miss out on this opportunity. And these blinds by Godark are incredible. They block out all of the light so I get incredible sleep. And I also like that you can simply place it inside your window seal and it fit perfectly, or you can also secure it with the screws that they provide in the mounts. The bottom up feature is so cool. You can hide the mess of your room and let that light in from the top, or you can do it the other way, the more traditional way, and flip it and do the top down. The honeycomb material is really well made. The outside is white, which is aesthetically stunning and exactly what I wanted. I wanted the outside to be white, but having the inside black and getting that perfect no light, that blackout feature, especially when the sun's out, and here it is amazing. This is a game changer when it comes to my room and getting the rest that I need. It's beautiful on the inside. The quality of this fabric here is really made so well. Everything about it, even the frame, makes it simple and easy to operate. That way you can just open it and close it, and it sits so beautifully in the window. I am thrilled. I think this double heat, the insulation of the fabric too, helps with also the heat that I'm wanting to keep in my room, or blocking heat if it's summer. So it's really great for all of these reasons, and I highly recommend it. I love these, but that's just my point of view.